I feel much better. Traffic opened up some. I feel even better now. The reason I chose the middle lane and then I'm riding the outside third of this middle lane is because there's a lot of turns to my right, and so if anyone changed lanes, I'm anticipating it's going to come to my right. I'm watching my left side, don't get me wrong, but I'm anticipating going to come to my right. If someone's slowing down at a light to make a right-hand turn, someone may merge over so they can keep on driving. I completely understand that. People on my left, I mean, well, I ain't got to tell y'all about the left lane. They're going to be driving straight, and they're going to be driving a little bit faster than traffic, which is no problem with me. They can have it. And of course, if I have to pass someone, I swerve over left or right and going around. But for the most part, I'm anticipating my trouble is going to come to the right. And so therefore, I'm off center to the left to give myself some breathing room for an event of a emergency swerve, or an emergency accelerate, or an emergency brake. Once again, shout out to Dan the fireman. I've seen a ton of his videos. I've seen a ton of mistakes the riders make. And I'm trying to be a smart rider in the sense that I learn from their mistakes instead of coming out here and making the same mistakes myself. But I'm well aware anything can happen. Now I'm riding more of the center lane. Why? Because I want to own my lane. I got a car up here. I may potentially be in a blind spot, so I'm shifting because there's nobody to my right now, just in case they try to come over. It's all about micro adjustments and using common sense, you know? And like I said, I'm not an expert at all. I'm a new rider, but I've learned a lot, and who knows, if you see some stuff in my video, you're like, hey, you need to work on this or improve on this, then I'm open for feedback, you know. I got a car behind me that's riding real close, so I don't like that at all. So what I'm gonna do is, my first opportunity I get, I'm going to change lanes, and I'm gonna let him have it. I am not finna fight with a car and lose, you know, whether I'm right or wrong. I'm not going to win against a car, and I have no desire to. I'm not mad, I'm not upset. I just recognize a danger, and I'm going to get myself out of it. So I just changed lanes. I feel more comfortable in this lane because the car behind me has given me space versus the car that was behind me when I was in the center lane. So I feel more comfortable right here. I'm off center to the outside lane. If I have to catch the shoulder to get out of danger, I will. Otherwise, I'm just driving straight here. So right now, I'm turning off my bike in first gear. I made it to the barber shop, so I'll catch you guys in a moment.